We want scatter, not just the floor, we want scatter a lot of things for this country, Nigeria today. The person to pioneer the scattering, they the building already. If you dey follow up for the past 4 weeks right now, you go know say every Tuesday by 10:15 we dey bring you people with the pursue come up for Big Brother house. We go welcome them because we are NGO, we dey help people. Less privileged Big Brother Naija people. So
why you still put less privilege?
But they don't pursue them come up for us, so they don't get where to go. Now here they come first.
I don't tire for you.
We get BrightO, aka Lord Baelish,
aka you know never finish now. Aka Lord Baelish, aka Evangelist, aka Pastor, aka the Confucianist, aka
scatter everywhere.
My pressure.
And also we get the one and only ever beautiful Wathoni.
Hey Wathoni.
Hi. I like the way you hold the mic. Oh. Hi. How we now so you hold some mic now if you're not quick come out. Sorry, we not only get Wathoni, we also get the one and only Tolani Baj.
AKA
T-Baj, aka sexy lekpadicious baby girl.
Okay.
Oh God. Anyway, now welcome to Naija FM. Now sharp. I dey like go straight to points. I not dey like beat around the bush. I like enter the bush, do things, catch animal, one catch, come outside. First of all, Bright, now you will start with. BrightO,
Yes.
now if I ask you how you feel after the confusion when you cause for the house. Say they see pursue you come up for the house.
I don't cause confusion now. I cause confusion.
If I hear
We know they wash your bin and we na different TV with the wash.
I mean, I don't say I cause confusion.
First of all, how you feel when they call your name.
Man, I'm surprised.
You don't expect them.
I don't expect them at all. I didn't expect it. I say I don't expect them at all.
Okay, so for you, what if you say you do wrong when make them evict you?
Before now, I'll be think about something else, but as I don't come out, I can't really see or more. Like see my fans just relax.
You be the think about something
that's
else.
something else you go see talk am.
No, wait till you be. Wait be that something else when you think about.
No, just feel say I get involved in wetin I suppose get involved
You
in.
believe you feel
Why
say
your
you
voice
get
dey low? You
involved
need-
with
we have
what
to
Tony.
tell
My
her.
voice be that now.
No, BrightO, no.
When you dey cause confusion, your voice don't low like
Abi.
this.
My voice always dey. Oh, it always dey low now. Come on. My voice always
He
dey
say
low.
come on.
Nah, BrightO. You say you get involved. You believe say your involvement with Wathoni na in result to your vision. Why you feel like that?
My first feeling now, but that
Your
was
first
past,
feeling.
yeah.
But so now don't come outside and you come find and say it's
Different.
different.
Yeah, it's different.
It's different.
Yes.
Okay.
BrightO, your voice too low.
You need
People
to-
wey dey house no fit hear you properly.
No, they hear me.
Now we dey hear you.
When you dey talk say praise fiancé na 60 years, your voice not low.
Baba, you don't start.
You don't cause some confusion for another person marriage now. Sorry, marriage when they get stand, you don't already scatter am. Okay, anyway, for Wathoni, for your how you feel?
How I feel?
What they call you? You expect am?
My pidgin note too they make sense.
No
Yes,
worry,
yes.
talk am as e be. Talk am as e be.
So I don't expect this one because
Okay.
I've been there, enjoy the house this
Okay.
last week. They come comot me.
But wetin make you talk normally say you wan leave that house at a point? Because at a point you say, I just wan leave this house, I'm tired. Wetin make you talk say you wan leave the house?
Now nonsense talk I be dey talk.
I don't understand. You be like say, why you say that nonsense? Why?
Because I be wan stay.
Okay, you just by
You want
the
to
talk
stay and
am.
at the same time you want to leave. It's like saying don't stop.
Okay, when he talk that talk, he never dey get involved with BrightO. You know say he try one, he try second one, e no work. Now he make you talk that talk.
Okay, I understand you. I understand you.
More come back, more you just ask the same question. Tolani Baj, for you, how you take am? You expect am?
I don't expect them.
Seriously, why you
Why you
not
expect him?
I've been a thing say I suppose they house.
Tolani, no give us this voice now. We know your original voice.
But
What?
I know Sabi speak pidgin like that now.
Speak anyhow you speak.
Oh yeah, give us Malian pidgin now.
Shebi na you say you be Malian.
Oh yeah, give us Malian pidgin.
Malians, come forward.
Tolani, no F word already.
Nah, you say me, I tell Malian.
Okay,
No, you can't. But just this F off.
F off.
Thank you so much.
Okay, now sharp, Tolani Baj. For the show, we notice you really pray and you really be one get involved with Prince. But somehow along the way, it be like say Prince can't fall in, enter the matter, but along the way, when I can't fall out again. Wetin really happen? And first of all, wetin will attract you to Prince?
Chocolates.
Oh, you like dark boys.
Chocolate.
And
He tall too. And he long.
he tall. and he was single. He's single for house. So
For the house,
himself
okay.
single.
Okay.
And I'm like, okay, if he's single, myself single, why not? So now the reason why I say I give Prince attention.
But why you feel say Prince not really buy into the idea of una two together? Because I believe you don't see some clips right now. Clearly, it be like person when it be like say you the first enter the relationship. Why?
I don't think say I dey force am o. I just think say we dey speak different love languages. I think that's what it is. And with Prince, he needs patience, and eventually maybe I'll get that patience, but it's patience that Prince try need. This pigeon is scattering my head.
We go talk am as again. I beg, you get anybody for inside that house where you think say they fit dey help you drag Prince? Where you say you feel say this person like this person get high for Prince?
I know the reason like that.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Because at a point you dey complain of attention, say they give you enough PDA, public display of affection.
But now the thing where they talk with that, they speak that kind of love language.
Okay,
But
now
me, I like physical touch.
Okay.
But his own is words. Like he like words of affirmation.
Assurance, yeah.
Yes, stuff like that.
and
I
also
like physical.
we hear am severally they talk say he no want do anything when we say a family member no dey proud of inside the house. Now make it always keep limit. Now I want to ask you, you feel say that because of that reason he try limit himself from involvement with you?
Nothing we talk with that. Because myself, I don't want to wait and go embarrass my.
In as much as you like
family,
physical
but-
touch,
Yeah.
Physical touch as bad. Holding hands is physical touch. You know
Okay,
that?
now what you dey talk about?
Hugging is physical touch. Yes.
Okay.
Kissing is physical touch.
Okay.
That one no fee embarrass my family.
Your family dey okay
Because
with
you
that
be
one?
adult now.
I'm grown.
Maybe come back to Wathoni.
Wathoni get problem with love for that house. No table your
I
matter
don't
right
get
now.
problem at all.
You know
I just
wetin?
not understand.
You know,
But I just not understand.
you don't just understand. I mean, let me touch that mic well. Make I want hear how well. Make the voice for Obama. What you talk? You know?
Una just no understand.
Okay, so what really happen for the house? Because we see you for one, they try fight for one guy. The next thing, another guy kiss you, you don't fall in love. The next thing, they try fight with another guy for the guy. Finally, you can't quarrel, you can't leave the guy. Then once you end up with BrightO. What really happen?
Who
Explain
talk
to us.
say I fall in love? I don't fall in love with that guy where they talk about.
But
The first guy where you mentioned.
Kid Wire.
I don't fall in
Mention
love.
the way you be now. R&B
Kid Wire, I
dey
no fall
fear
in
to
love.
talk about Kid Wire.
so Kid Wire, you know, what it can make you really? What it can happen?
As I
really?
come out for house, here say una think say I fall in love with Kid Wire, I shock.
Because we feel after that kiss
Because
of that
it not
competition.
happen.
No, but truth or dare.
Truth or dare, yeah.
It just be kiss, nothing again.
But we see say you dey try one get involved with the guy alone.
I no try.
But
People
at
wey
a
dey house no
point,
say I no try.
you know, say, but at a point, it be like say Erika, if anytime now they have any argument, Erika they always mention, why you always bringing Kid Wire? Why you always bringing up the name?
Come let's see the drag man with him.
I don't know. At least we dey okay now. Now that won't matter for me now.
You sure?
You sure say you do okay with Erika because
We dey okay.
Then I want jump to Negi Matana, still on to Wathoni. You know, say at a point when she just become the HOH, now you be the first person where she use as deputy head of house. Why you think say she appoint you as a deputy at that time?
I still don't understand though. Because
I just few days and I don't spend for the house.
Nengi, no, I know I'm before the house.
Eh.
Not too well, sha, but Nengi be person
the
wey
word of
you
una
fit
take
All
know
of
each
them
other
don't know each
before the
other
house.
before. Waiting they happen.
Erika no Nengi, you know. That means Nengi na popular girl before you enter. Oh.
You be like,
Okay.
Eh.
So wetin really come push you towards BrightO?
as I come out house, I look and say, you be like say we don't dey talk from the beginning. Why not just
You don't pay attention because you write this somewhere before. No, not true that we watch am.
not be say they somewhere else like that. So una just not understand me.
Okay.
You know be say I go there look for love.
Oh.
And you know be say my eye dey somewhere else.
But wait, this same talk, now you talk say, I'm not here to look for love, I'm here because of my son. But come find out say they try put effort to take get Bright down too.
This
Because he got one conversation, Bright day here. I like the fact that they did the stuff now. So I'm gonna ask my
R&B.
But not true now.
Sure.
Not true now. Now I want ask now. We get one conversation when you are not doing. You can't tell Bright you are not doing. You are not doing more. So Bright can't say like what? He say like you can't tell her like You can't ask us how do you see me? This Lord Bailey say he see you like a sister. So
that's how you talk.
Yes, now.
Right, not deny. I not be able to push
Not
her for
deny us for you.
Yeah, push her too.
Not deny us for you.
Why you deny? Why you call her like your sister?
I
at first?
know. I don't think I say something like that.
See,
I
we
don't
go
talk
able
like
to
that.
you for you
No,
again.
trust me. As in, I talk something like that. See,
You have a
Is it?
conversation when I
Is
get.
it?
Bless now top of that bed that side when I get
I say
together.
like my sister. No,
Why you don't say you see her like your sister?
I don't mention.
Okay, you not see her like your
I don't
sister.
mention sister.
Okay, so you share the same feelings when Wathoni be dey share with you.
You say?
This man go scatter Nigeria.
Right.
Right, I want to rephrase the question. Me here. So the feeling when Wathoni share for you, they share and back to am. You share the same
Yes,
feeling.
now I
You
share same
reciprocate
feeling.
and I waiting they talk with
Yes.
that.
I share the same feeling.
Wathoni, you feel say reciprocate am.
Talk truth now.
I feel say within actions.
Yeah.
Because he been they cook for me.
Wow.
I be
Look
the toss
me.
a move for her. I be toss a move.
Okay.
But with waiting they talk, I don't know.
You don't know.
So as I did so, I don't know.
But and also along the way, you can't feel say Dorothy na threat for you and BrightO arrangement. Wetin make you feel like that?
No be say she be threat, but it gets something where she talk.
Like what?
The thing where she talk, it be like say, I look and say, me I like this guy. Her own, I don't know. I don't understand where her own they come from. So I say I go chase him.
Okay. Now you tell us say you go chase BrightO.
I don't tell Dorothy.
So what you
But
tell
that's
say
why I
you
do
go
am.
chase?
I tell Tolani Baj.
Okay. And BrightO, more not lie. It be like say you be like the attention when you receive from Wathoni and Dorothy. Because we see one night when they say that they drag to sleep for your bed.
Bro, if
You
now
can't
you
go
don't like
cheer
her.
outside.
You don't ask me.
If now you don't like her. You don't see matter.
Confusion is so.
If now you don't like attention, I be.
Okay, now sharp. You do a lot of stuff where we say a lot of us take fat for outside. I believe you don't come outside, don't see some of the videos. You understand? Where you forget the information, say praise fiance now 60 years. 60-something years old. Where you forget that information, right? So.
Me and Praise we discuss about the issue. So he tell me say
Your voice too low.
He tell me say if fiance they way older than him. Do you understand?
Okay.
So I just say.
Now you just calculate.
Of course, now 40, 50, 60.
But you and Praise don't talk since then when you come outside.
No, I never get time now, bro.
Because
You need to
praise
get
don't
time.
mean you, man, I don't lie you.
No, apart from
So when you
that.
come out-
No, my guy
guy.
ain't being my guy ain't being so my guy ain't being that one no be big deal now, Baba. I mean a big deal.
Are you sure?
Wow, this guy not
Then
listening
at
to
a
you.
point too, I remember one night where we say Ebuka, that night where we say they ask you question about Neo and V. Where we say he asks you say why you talk say Neo no dey serious with V. You can't talk say when I talk that one. But video circulate where we say you actually tell Neo. Say I beg, but like say this thing say you get with V, you know they real, you know they too serious.
Na lie.
He did yeah.
No, you know they everywhere.
But
You go
you
check
think
am.
say
No.
na that matter make
No,
them
no,
come
no.
comot you from
No,
inside the
no.
house.
Even inside the house, even everybody. And then they say na V and Neo relationship na even make sense.
Love Baelish.
No, ask this one. Ask them here now. If I even tell people that go say.
So okay, that's the two of them right now. For the full house right now, based on the whole relationship when they go around, which one you believe say at least you get destination?
You get destination. No. That one hard do. But the thing we say, I don't talk about before say Neo and V relationship get destination. I don't talk about even for my diary session. So nobody now comes now this talk. We talk about that. You understand? I don't talk about before say Neo and V own now get destination.
Okay.
Others I don't see anything. Even Tolani Baj, I would tell
You not see anything. Tolani Baj, they say they don't see anything. Your relationship with Prince not get destination.
Bright don't talk for us now.
Okay.
But no be say I go listen to waiting Bright to talk. I go do waiting I want to do.
Na clear matter.
So,
You understand?
but Bright they always talk. I'm saying nah, be and you.
Okay.
So with Prince, I like Prince. He likes me when he
One I come outside.
bam.
But you know the premier come outside soon, Sha.
No, so when he brings the money home, when he wins.
Hold on. Una don't get house already.
Well,
Which
I
one
have
be home?
house. He will come there
So
and
you
then
home now, husband and heart.
home.
Okay, no
He will
problem.
bring the money home and then we go see what we go do.
Okay.
So that means if Prince come outside, you still dey look towards say una get relationship together.
We go talk. We
Wow.
go see if the chemistry is there. But for now, We go talk.
Chemistry when not there inside one close
You
side
go see
chick.
that chemistry and physics. Let's go.
Okay,
That
no
chemistry where you know see, you go see am.
Okay, no problem. Now, sharp, we'll not delay too much. Now, still Naija FM 102.7. Now, in position, put we get the big brother VTs then. BrightO day here, Lord Billy is there, Wathoni day here, and Tolani Baj day here. Now, sharp, make I come Tolani Baj. For the full house right now, we notice a lot of time you and V, they always advise Blake on top the kind of relationship when we say you get with Erica and Kidwaya. For you,
Yeah.
If you want to blame anybody for that cycle or for that triangle, you go really blame.
No go blame anybody. Everybody they there, they live their reality. Nobody they perfect for life.
Okay.
People go make mistake, they go learn. So I know if you say now one person gets fault, now that person get fault. Because me self I get fault.
You get fault.
So I know if you they judge person say somebody they
But,
wrong.
but you believe say any of the theory they use a strategy, whether Erica or Kidwaya?
I dey think say everybody they have fun. Everybody they catch cruise. I say where they think with that.
Okay. For you, which strategy be carry enter the house?
I no get strategy. I just enter, say I go be myself. And I think what I do with that.
You believe say that strategy work for you?
I no go call them strategy. I
Okay.
just enter, say whatever happens,
May you
happens.
play you.
Let me just do me. If it work for me, it work for me. But I know enter there, say I won't use one kind of strategy.
So Tolani Baj, if you enter the house again, now the same thing wey be say they do all over. Now the same thing you go do again.
All
or you get
over.
some things that you go change.
Now go do everything all over.
That mean you come out
Okay.
too now.
I know. Say I know suppose come out, but I come out.
Why you feel so?
I just know. It shock viewers. They just want shock viewers. Like you know. But I know say I suppose they there because they need me for Saturday now. They need my ginger. Right. They need us now for Saturday. Ginger.
So who you go meet pass for the house now?
Erica.
Why Erica? You go get
That's my
reason.
buddy now.
What about the guys? Friends of
Friends,
course.
of course. Friends, of course. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, maybe move to Wathoni and Lord Bellish. So Lord Bellish, who you go meet pass for the house?
Yeah, I go miss wire now, wire.
Why wire?
And my guy now.
Now they plan cool together now. Don't forget discuss praise matter.
And my guy now, so them I go miss.
Wathoni, who you go meet pass for the house?
I go miss Tricky T now, my guy.
Why
We
Tricky
dey
T?
always we dey relate on one kind level. We dey talk things like London, Oreze, Grey.
Okay.
So I dey miss all those things.
All right. Another one for the three of you. You see the way we say they do voting now for inside the house. You know, say the normal voting system. Now that one where we say they go. So you go inside. Who you want make you go among these lowest housemates. But all of a sudden now you realize that they use viewers or public what do they call them? Public votes. Now they use now. If you still dey the house right now, let's say you still dey the house and they ask you to come inside, say pick 2 people out of the housemates where you go love, make them go out. Who you go pick?
That one hard though. Make BrightO start.
But Wathoni now you have first ask now.
Lekon
And you tell us reason. No?
and Kidwaya.
Why?
Too competitive.
They
They too
can't
they
kill
compete.
Waya.
They
Okay.
too they calculate the game. So na 2 of them I for pick.
Okay. Oh yeah, Lord Bellish.
More that question. I got enter that house before answer that question.
You don't need the
The
house.
house never come out.
Nah, they outside house. So me they did there. Me they enjoy themselves. Who want come on me come out.
They judge
I
you.
clear matter.
What's the question again?
I say now, you know, say they don't they do. Oh yeah, enter the diary room. Pick 2 housemates when you go one make it come out. So who be the 2 housemates? As me say you see they the house. Who be the 2 housemates when you go one make it come out? Make them come out.
Lucy. I go pick Lucy.
Why you go put?
Lucy? I need to ask you.
And also, why you feel say
Yeah.
people not really accept Lucy for who she be? Because we did notice on a diary session, if they ask on which person are not really happy about Lucy. Why?
You know reason why I say why people they choose them.
Why?
If something they common, there's a problem.
There's a problem.
But Lucy people just they misunderstand her.
Okay.
And when person they want communicate to her, she go they learn. So I think saying that the problem be that you can't always be right. Sometimes you need to listen to wetin people
Get to talk. Okay.
So Lucy and who? Not 2.
To be fair, it's just Lucy.
You see.
Now, Bright, so I know we like give you, I get a lot of questions, but I'll just select one come out now. We notice those of us who don't feel see premium, we notice during the shows or during the next day, we'll come to hear you the and say, I see this person, they take this person, I see this person, they take this person. Call the they reduce. Wait, who start that conversation? Call the they reduce. Now Katrina first shut her, then when she come on, somebody else gonna talk about her. So for you right now, who you believe say you don't take each other for the house? Because I want me to give us exclusive. Because you see everything.
Me I did my bed, I didn't see anything.
You see everything.
You when they hate kid, why I say, man, I saw it. You were doing, you were into it.
Into it.
Yes, now.
In total.
But this is it. Who you believe they don't take each other for the house?
That one go hard though. I know. Take which kind of take you mean as in?
Now, collaboration between man and woman now.
You mean enter?
No, come outside.
No, that one go hard. I don't know. But if not kissing and that one they happen, but enter, I'm not sure. I don't know. That one.
You where they see everything.
I don't see everything. That one inside we do that kind of.
And Tolani, I think now you complain of duvet, say something stain duvet. What be you? Now you now.
I don't know.
I think when I want change.
Yeah. When Kidwaya uses as deputy.
Yes.
Yeah.
You complain of duvet, say duvet stain.
Say something like pap. You like say stay duvet.
Waiting that one day, but.
Now, perhaps stay now.
But people never given a camo one day make me.
No, I come.
Okay, a camo from human being.
Be like say na perhaps.
But you be take the matter serious, like say you did disappointed, you don't expect them.
No, not me. I just thought say na perhaps we do.
Now part video a camo. Okay. Now sharp, you know say the frontline sponsor of this Big Brother Naija season 5 na Betway, and they always bring una Betway Arena games. On a scale of 1, Big Brother Naija season 5, Wathoni you?
It be like saying a lecon, but
Be like saying na dey come. Why you just say be like?
the things where they do for house, people for outside they relate to them. Even Ozo, both of them, people they relate to the things where they do for house. So people go like.
So between Lekon and Ozo, I disrespect. So BrightO, you know say they see future and they see a lot of things one on the
This
see.
one don't pass future. No, the thing is, no be about see who go win or who you go win. I just want me why I win. You understand? Make it win, yes.
Make kid wire, okay.
Tolani, of course, Prince. I don't need to answer that one.
So it be like, so I go tell you two.
Oh, yeah.
I go tell you the person where I think say go win, and the person where I want to win.
Okay.
So the person where I think say go win, na Lekon, but the person where I want to win, na Prince,
Okay.
or Erica.
Okay. I get another question. Maybe say something maybe say I don't notice since. If you notice very, very well, it really rare for Ozo today among the people where they vote out. You think say Ozo they do something right, or wait till me that maybe say they make Ozo not there among the that top 6 lowest 6 lowest, because I never see Ozo at all among the numbers or the list. Yeah.
Grace and waiting.
Grace.
Maybe I told you, I be like what I told you one time. Why you think say Ozo no there?
Ozo na great guy.
Oh.
As I say, everything wey they do for house, people for outside go relate to him.
Okay.
He be great guy.
Okay. Lord Bellish.
No, the guy is a good guy, as a matter of fact. A good guy. So, I believe people will like him. Well. Yes.
So none of now mentions Ozo fit even win. So as they shout saying
No, in talk, I think he suspect in the officer's office they want
Okay,
to
you mentioned Ozo.
Now sharp, the Big Brother, the road don't end for now, but you know me say don't end for now personal life. So BrightO, you go for politics well. So I'm
Serious?
yes, because
You
as
don't
I don't say election they go there, if you go there, you cause
right.
competition, you go win.
I don't win street.
So I ask, what if your next phase of life right now?
I want to go get that certification, like see.
For
my studies, yes.
Your studies.
But after that one, I go into fashion. That apply pressure.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go on.
I better not this. I need to. I just forget. Who be your handler?
The guy
We
did
need
that.
bad beer for that guy.
Exactly.
Oh, but I don't.
Who be your handler?
This beer. I don't.
What if you name? Just say la. Be Hela. What if you name?
I want to get a compact guy.
Elam now.
Yeah. Baba, I hear you.
You know what?
Hey,
Wow.
Baba, I hear you.
The guy is too smart. He's too smart. Only your grandpa. Waiting the future plans.
He plenty. Oh.
Tell us.
I still go they sell clothes, bag and shoe.
Okay.
I go they talk about pikin,
Yeah.
pregnancy, IVF. how sex they be after pregnancy. Everything go dey detailed.
Okay.
And I go enjoy, I'm not worry.
So,
Okay.
I go so
Uh-huh.
I never finish.
Oh, did you?
I just dey start.
Oh yeah, now.
I go so the rap song.
I
won't go into music.
We don't see that
Rap
side
song.
of the house.
okay.
Una see am in the ending.
That's how they do that competition.
Oh.
Okay. So nothing like settling down marriage.
See husband for your side now.
I don't talk say me I don't know anything you want. So
Maybe
Hold on. So una two don't know what una want.
we need
Why?
to ask.
you know what
BrightO.
me I want, but as you don't know what you want.
Right,
me
so they
say-
use us press phone no.
No.
Right, so talk truth. Like, will they see any future between
Between you and
Well, the
Wathoni.
future is bright now, bro. The future is bright.
This is where we spoil this country. Answer my question, I beg now. BrightO, will they see future between you and Wathoni?
The future bright now. You know they say I say future bright.
Which of the
Baba.
with you and Wathoni?
No, yeah, of course, our future is bright now, isn't it? The future is
People
bright.
Wathoni don't trust you.
Now wow.
On a serious
Now,
note, like
wow.
any possibility they say we go see this couple, we don't see plenty powerful couple they come outside for Big Brother Naija.
Yeah.
Will they see that same arrangement between you and Wathoni?
But if it happen now, you never can tell, bros. If it happen now, yes.
You go pursue one ba.
Yeah.
Mm.
But that go.
So BrightO, I don't want to ask you a question. For your Tolani Baj, what did next for you?
So I want to do real estate.
Okay.
I don't do media already, so I will continue media.
Okay.
Maybe host, present,
Okay.
maybe radio. Who knows?
We go to expect you.
Eh,
Okay.
what else? Food production is too much. It's plenty, but you
When you
guys
want
see
get
it. No be
involved.
just mouth. Yeah.
Okay.
And I don't get business already. 2, 3 for next gen. That's
Okay.
the name of it. Where
Okay.
we do events, music, A&R for upcoming artists. So.
And if it happens, say Prince also come outside, the day
For
when
marriage
say una go
proposal.
settle down. So
We no go marry now. We go wait. We go work on getting money, more money. Then, if marriage come, then
at least you know they win some money for the Big Brother.
no,
You not go
I
rich.
still need to continue more. I still have more to do before marriage. Marriage is like the last thing on my mind right now. I'm working on building Tolani Baj as a brand, and Tolani Baj is also open for endorsement deals. So.
Talking about endorsement this.
Hello.
Marriage
Tolani.
is, hold on.
I'm
Marriage,
here to work.
marriage is the last thing on your mind.
It's a
But you
last
want
thing.
get into a relationship with Prince by all means. I don't
How
understand.
can you compare relationship and
But
marriage?
around
That is
they
that
go
stepping
first
stone
know
now.
and relationship, courtship, they go know each other first.
You know if you compare now.
Okay, no problem.
I beg we hear one G say, like say Naira Marley drop some money for your father.
Yeah.
You
I
said
can't
no,
for
no.
Twitter. So you never know.
Eh.
Contact Naira Marley, I just they give you.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
like
cool.
Naira Marley don't drop some money.
Malian.
Okay, now sharp. BrightO, let me drop your because your Instagram handle don't the bubble already based on your handle. We're not gonna call it name. God is here. So your social media handles, drop and make people follow up and communicate with you more.
Okay, for my
My brother,
bros.
keep advising people wrongly. Because now you cause liquor problem. They apply pressure, touch her in your neck, touch her in your body. See where the boy is now. Thank you. We want we will wish you that success on top of our new phase of life. We pray say Baba God will bless you now, give you plenty endorsement, and I can share the success story with us in the nearest future.
Yes,
So
sir.
thank you very much. Anyway, you know hear the voice of Tolani Baj, the BrightO, Lord Baelish himself there, and the one and only Wathoni, upcoming princess. What did they call?
Mrs. BrightO now.
Mrs. No, more not for them because BrightO never give a guarantee. We thank you, Wathoni, say you stopped by today. We hope to hear success from you now. Anyway, now see Naija FM 102.7, now you position pull live and direct. Check your time right now for the 4 minutes of base. Leave 10 a.m. already. We'll soon back break or top money rush. But before then, more enjoy this music, right? What's your favorite music?
Yeah.
I don't know. What's your favorite